Introducing F2 Plus collapsible silicone water bottle with filters. You see, this is a cup of water with dust and contents inside. This is our water bottle with filter. Let's fill our bottle with dirty water. Shaking, let's see what will happen. Okay, you can see the water turns clear and clean. Okay, our F2 Plus could remove 99.99% of waterborne bacterial and 99.9% of waterborne protozoan parasites without chemicals, iodine or batteries filter impurities. This includes two-stage filters. One active carbon filter, one UF membrane filter. S2 collapsible water bottle. Roll it up like that. When it's empty, small size, very light. A carabiner attaches to your backpack or just close it and put it in the purse very easily. Drink water with just one hand. Big mouth, easy wash, easy filling with ice cubes. Introducing S5 Pro collapsible silicone water bottle. It's made of food-grade silicone, BPA free, leak-proof. Squeeze the bottle, water flow out. There is a silicone valve here to control the water flow. Open the lid like this. Very big mouth for easy washing and easy filling with water or ice cubes. When it's empty, roll it up like this. So it becomes a very small size. They can attach to your backpack when traveling. Introducing S5 Plus with big capacity of 1 liter. The biggest silicone water bottle in the market. It's leak-proof. It's leak-proof. And it's made of food-grade silicone, BPA free, with big mouth. So you fill the water very easily and easy washing. It's durable, very durable. An S7 collapsible water bottle. Roll it up just one hand like that. Very easy. When it's closed, one side, when it's open, another side. Very fancy design spots for easy drinking. Open the lid like that. Very big mouth. for easy washing, and this dishwasher safe, made of food grade silicone, BPA free, easy washing and easy filling with ice cubes.